Being born and brought up in a very lower middle class family, a farmer family, I have always observed that we should not spend our money on unnecessary stuffs. Rather, we were forced to live a very simple life just because of the financial problems. Now, as there no one was educated around me, and my parents wanted me to learn, I have completed my graduation in engineering. And after that, when I moved to Mumbai for a job, many things I have learned very first time. When I started a job there, I always in a saving attitude. Now, what is saving attitude? That means because of the struggle I have seen in my childhood, I was always wanted to save my money, nothing else. Like I just used to spend my money on like just a necessary stuff, like whatever why my needs are, I used to spend, and no unnecessary spending on anything else. That's what was my attitude. This is actually a great attitude. We should spend on whatever our needs only. So that is what I was having. After spending almost 9 years in a job, I realized that just saving is not going to help you to have more money, because I was believing that whatever salary I'm earning, I should spend on my necessary stuffs, and rest of them will just need to save. And just saving the money will have more money. But I was wrong. So I learned a new term at that time, which was a financial literacy. I was illiterate financially because I never think financially or money in that perspective at any point. That was the one thing which is I started learning what is financial literacy. In financial literacy is nothing, just nothing about the just we should aware about money, how to organize money. There are so many things. I learned a new term which is called investing money. That is what I have learned. Many other things like share markets, equity, mutual funds, bonds, then passive incomes, how we should try to get passive income as well. There are so many things. And the one very most important point we have is our time is money. Whatever time we are spending, that we should spend in our valuable learnings only. The learning which should give us something, that we should spend. Then, while learning all these share markets or equity or mutual funds, I did many mistakes, because first time I was learning, there are so many mistakes I have made. I have not become a billionaire or millionaire by just investing in a share market. However, I feel means whatever the mistakes I have made, I have learned many things out of it, and these are going to help me not right now, but after few years. This is what I have understood. But I still feel whatever the knowledge which I started to gain about financial literacy after spending 9 years in a corporate job, I still feel that means if I would have started early in my career, like whenever I started my job, investing some amounts at that time, I would have much better position right now than what I am now. This is what I feel. So I would request every one of you, at whatever stage of life you are right now, if you are just a student completing your graduation, or you have just started your job, or if you just started looking for a job, then try to learn about this financial literacy. Be financial literate as early as possible. Try to understand how you can organize your money, how you can plan your money, how you can invest your money. Investing money is important. If you invest your money, then it will help you. There are so many things which we can invest, and it is not required. The investing doesn't require much money. It just you can start with the very small things as well. A new thing came up like NFTs now. That also you can start to learn and try to invest it. There's so many things, but just don't say that. I was also thinking like that share market is not my cup of tea. No, it is not. We should not go in that gambling type of trading, or we can definitely invest in equity markets or mutual funds. Doing a monthly SIP is also a good option. Just do some your learning, make your own choices about investing, but learn about these financial things. These are all important, because this will help you to live a better life. I would say just don't spend your time, valuable time, on unnecessary stuffs like social media, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media accounts. It just waste our time. Just organize your time. See in a day where your time is going. There are so many things to learn. There are so many contents which are available online. Just try to learn that. This will help you only. If you want to achieve financial freedom, then start investing right now from today only. I hope this has motivated you some way. If you have any questions or how you feel about this point, do let me know in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well. This is Atul Kadlak signing off now. Until we meet next Sunday.